build it?
It's a 1950 Ford. It was my brother-in-law's dad's car. I remember him driving it back before I even was driving. And then he died. My brother-in-law drove it to high school in the late 60s. And the car sat in the garage for 38 years.
Wow.
I brought it home and did a complete frame off on it. Brought it up to date.
Oh,
Got
yeah.
all storage compartments in there, and I can pop that panel out and slide a 10 by 10 pop up in there.
Wow.
Every day I see you passing, but you don't notice me. It makes me want to cry. I long to see your face when I close my eyes. I wait